Rock Against Rules is a show about this guy who has been kicked out of his band.
Rock Against Rules is a story about rebellion and doing what you want to do without giving any care about the world.
I think the story represents when there you have so much fiery passion for something, nothing can come in your way.
The story of Rock Against Rule is inspired by the movie School of Rock. This story is really inspiring for me because I'm a teacher myself in a school, and I could relate to the main character a lot.
I could relate more with Dewey. He has this mad love for music. I think that is the personality similar to mine.
He's like a goofball and he is lazy, he's so all over the place. But when it comes to music, he knows what he's doing. He's just so hell-bent on going to this competition, the Battle of the Bands.
I think this idea came to me in the month of January. This idea came out of a problem that these children have a lot of talent. But the thing is, they do train, but then there is nothing for them. There is no platform, like what to do with the training that they have. So we want to create an industry where we can just handpick few children and train them, take their talent out of the school.
It was my first day at the school. I didn't know anyone except Akash sir. There were so many small children.
Especially on the first day, that was a bit, I was a little confused as to how I'll work with so many different age groups.
7-year-old, 8-year-old. It is very chaotic. I was shocked that all these children are so talented. They actually have such a good talent that they are expressing in this musical. For me, the first day I was quite impressed with most of the teachers.
Here we are all one, we're a team, we're a unit. And to observe them as that and to give them that importance, I think it only pushed them to be their best.
The most fun part was like when we did dance, which is my hobby. I think the part where I got to dance was really fun.
I'm not that much of a dancer, but I think going through with the rehearsals, it has really helped me improve.
The vision for choreography that I had, I watch a lot of musicals, and when you are doing a musical, it's very hard for you to do a lot of dance steps because you are singing live and there's a lot of moving around. Because we had some really wonderful dances, my vision was to create some really good dance routines in every song. I was very lucky to have the team of teachers that we had.
Here at Horace Screen, our name has come to mean pure
I found Sagar sir and Arun sir through some of my contacts. I had never seen their work. It was pure instinct that I went with.
Each parent here expects their child to earn.
Arun sir, all the music and everything, like the music, singing, he was kind to everybody.
I think Arun sir was really nice, and I liked the way he taught us different techniques. It was quite fun to be in his class as well.
I was never really a singer, I was really insecure of my singing, but through this entire production, with the help of Arun sir, I have been able to better my vocals.
It was so wonderful to see the structure of his class. I myself learned a lot, from his teaching, the way he conducts the class.
At our hallowed school, the children as a rule learn discipline.
Sagar sir, I honestly did not expect the kind of performer and teacher he is.
Sagar sir was a huge help in helping me adapt to the character, getting into the skin of the character.
I learned how to act professionally on the stage, which I hadn't done before. Sagar sir really focused on making my acting more better and more professional. He helped me a lot.
He really focused on the small details to make the scene a lot better. Like how you move your hand, how you move your body, how you position towards the audience.
he invested so much
Here at
personally in
Forest
this
Green,
process.
we stick to
He,
custom, on
stitched some of the
schedule,
scenes.
do what must
They
be
were
done,
really, really wonderful the
don't,
way they came
and
out.
it will mean
And I think
I
he was a
go
phenomenal
ballistic.
talent and a really, really good
That's all.
teacher.
Good luck, have fun.
For set and design, I think my vision was only to keep it very minimal.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the School of...
Not too many set going in and out. It was Miss Ishita who brought everything to life.
Hi, we are the School of Rock, and this song was written by our lead guitarist, Zach Mooneyham.
I feel like the most fun part about the show was the improv. So we had this one scene when Dewey asks Billy what makes you really angry. Krishank, being Billy, he said, "You."
Want something that makes you really angry? You! No!
And we all went with it because it sounded really nice.
So there's this one particular scene where I have to go up to Zach and I have to be like, there's this one dialogue I have to say, it's like, "Loosey goosey baby." We had these insane like laughter cycles on that.
If you wanna be the teacher's pet, baby, you just better forget it. Rock got no reason, rock got no rhyme. You better come into school on time. Rock out!
I think I was really lucky to cast Ashmeen for Dewey. She's a phenomenal talent. By the third week, I could see her transforming into Dewey. And Anya for Miss Mullins. She has not acted before. It was really wonderful to see how she managed to do her part on the stage. And also then, coming down with the orchestra, playing keyboard, singing backup vocals for Dewey, for Zach, for a lot of other characters.
I think it's just my love for music. On the stage, I am an actor being Rosalie, and then off the stage, suddenly I am just me. So it just happens.
These children are such a great talent that we really need to take forward.
One thing I learned from the script, rebellion is not always bad. Sometimes you have to be rebellious to make a difference. Rock Against Rule has changed me as a person, as an artist. I'm not that much of a dancer, but I think going through with the rehearsals, it has really helped me improve.
I think we went really, really right with the casting. We could only achieve this in 20 days. I think it was the students who were already very, very good at what they do.
So this entire cast really just made me feel like home and they really pushed me to be my best.
I think I will miss everyone.
The script feels like that music is for anyone and everyone. Music unites everybody.
When the world has screwed you and crushed you in its fist, when the way you're treated has got you